Johnny's legal team celebrates the victory and makes statement after the verdict. And 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled. Johnny Depp triumphed in his 3 counts of defamation against Amber Heard and was awarded $15 million. The 7-person jury also decided that Depp, via his ex-lawyer Adam Waldman, defamed the Aquaman actress on one of 3 counts in her countersuit and awarded her $2 million and $0 in punitive damages. The decision was delivered on the 3rd day of deliberation after 6 weeks of emotional testimonies. The minutes after the verdict was announced, Depp's legal team, including his fans, rejoiced outside the courthouse and online. Several hundred Depp fans gathered to cheer and chant for the actor's lawyers, who received a great welcome. Both Ben Chu and Camille Vasquez gave brief statements before leaving, and it was pretty touching. Fans couldn't hold back but film and take selfies with the legal team even as they got into their car. On Twitter, they are praised and branded the Dream Team. Our judicial system is predicated on each person's right to have his or her case heard. And we were honored, truly honored to assist Mr. Depp in ensuring that his case was fairly considered throughout the trial, Chu, a lawyer for Depp, said. He added, "We are also most pleased that the trial has resonated for so many people in the public who value truth and justice. Now that the jury has reached its conclusive verdict, it's time to turn the page and look to the future. Thank you all so much." Thanks to the jury. Camille, a brilliant member of Depp's legal team, said the verdict confirms the claims against the actor are defamatory and unsupported by any evidence. Camille added, "We are grateful, so grateful, to the jury for their careful deliberation, to the judge and the court staff who have devoted an enormous amount of time and resources towards this case. Thank you so much." Depp sued Heard, 36, over a note that she wrote in the Washington Post, where she spoke of her experience with domestic abuse. While the actor wasn't named in the article, his team argued it had falsely implied Depp was physically and sexually violent throughout their relationship, something he has denied. Heard countersued for $100 million, claiming Depp libeled her by calling her a liar. After the verdict, Depp, in a statement, wrote, "6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed. All in the blink of an eye." False, very serious, and criminal allegations were levied at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content, although no charges were ever brought against me. It had already traveled around the world twice within an nanosecond, and it had a seismic impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled. My decision to pursue this case, knowing very well the height of the legal hurdles that I would be facing and the inevitable, worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something that I owe to my children, and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. I am, and have been, overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never give up. The best is yet to come, and a new chapter has finally begun. Veritas numquam perit. Truth never perishes. In her statement, Heard wrote, "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. I believe Johnny's attorneys succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. She concluded, "I'm sad I lost this case. But I am sadder still that I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly."